Welcome to RealityMAX. In this video, we're introducing you to the Scene Interface, your creative playground for building and editing 3D environments. The interface is made up of 4 main areas: the top bar, the left bar, the right bar, and the central editing space. Let's break each of them down. On the left side of the top bar, you can upload 3D models or images using the plus icon, add basic shapes with the cube icon, switch to wall builder mode using the wall icon, add comments via the comment bubble, and measure distances using the ruler icon. Click the RealityMAX logo to access keyboard shortcuts, scene settings, grid options, the Help Center, or return to your dashboard. On the right side, you can share your scene with Publish, take a screenshot with the camera icon, invite team members with the Add User icon, and check your save status with the cloud icon. The left bar helps you stay organized. In the Layers tab, you can see all your scene's objects, search, select, and even lock them. Right-click any layer to duplicate, copy, group, reset, or delete it. The Library tab lets you drag in pre-made assets or your own uploads. And just next to the sidebar is AI ReIMAGINE, your tool for instantly enhancing your scene's visual quality. The right bar changes depending on what you're doing. With no object selected, you'll see the Environment tab, where you can set background colors, HDRIs, lighting, and visual effects. Select an object, and the Properties panel appears, giving you access to transformation tools and material settings. Turn on Comments, and the bar switches to the Comments tab for easy collaboration. This is your editing space, where the real magic happens. Click any object to move, rotate, or resize it using the gizmos. Right-click for quick actions like copy, group, or delete. At the bottom, use the gizmo to orbit the scene, view from X, Y, or Z, and toggle between perspective and orthographic views. And that's your tour of the Scene Interface. Now you're ready to create, explore, and bring your 3D visions to life with RealityMAX. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials. See you in the next one.